another episode of Mr. Neil Sing. This is part 2 of Voltron. So as you saw on the last episode, we opened this. Since we didn't have enough time, I stopped that video. So that means we have parts. So this is the last part. So now we're going to show you assembling Voltron. So here's Voltron. And then there's the owner's manual. Director, show the owner's manual. So now, we've already built this for practice. Now we're going to show you how to build it, in case you get one of these. So you're the one who assembles the legs. So here's the sword, and here's the shield. So we're going to keep these right here for now. So now, I'm going to assemble the body first. So you just pop this lid open. Yeah. And then, so you pull these feet back, open the lid, and then just push it. Oh wait, then you just push it, then put the paw back, then push it in there, and then there you go. So now we put it like that, and now we put it like shoulders, and there we go. There's the body. So let me just put the head down and open the mouth for the head. Wait. There. So now we're gonna straighten out the legs. Whoa, 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 stop your hands. So we're gonna straighten the legs. And now let's assemble the arms. So we'll just put the body here for now on the wings. Now let's assemble the arms. Come on, there. So now put the, oh wait, I almost forgot step 1. Push the tail in. Come on, come on, come on. There, wait. There. So now we're gonna push this forward like that, and then fold this leg. And then we open the back armor. So then there. So now we there. And then voila. And then we close it. Then here's this one. Push the tail in. And now we'll fold the legs. And if we time out, there will be a part 3 if we don't have enough time. So there will be a part 3. Come on, Kevin, bend the legs.
I already did step 1.
So now I can help you with step 2 when I'm done with the red line.
I already know how to make the blue one, so you're gonna have to help me with this one.
Here's, first let me make Keith. Come on. Come on. There we go. So now put it like that.
Which one's the blue line?
So the,